Hey guys, welcome to Tejomai Spiritual Explorer Daily Tarot Reading. There are 5 cards before you. Select one that attracts you the most and check out what's the guidance for you for the day. Let's begin. So, the card 1, Supermoon. Emotions are running high. So, if you are searching for an answer related to personal or professional matter, then the answer is on its way. You can expect a successful journey now. If you're waiting for an important call, then you can expect that today. A call, maybe a call for a job selection or a call from someone special. But do remember to keep your emotions in control. As the card suggests, your emotions might go high, and in that flow, you might speak that you shouldn't. So, keep check on your emotions, okay? Also, today you might receive an offer or an opportunity that you are looking for. Be little alert so that you do not miss this wonderful opportunity. So, all the best. Card 2, Full Moon Eclipse. Conclusions are within reach. So, today might be the hardest day of your life as you are about to take a tough decision. This decision might be pending for some time now. It could be a relationship that you were thinking from a long time whether you should let it go or be in this same relationship. But now is the time that you will finally take a decision about it just for your own higher good, okay? Now is the time to think for yourself. You have thought enough for others, but thinking about yourself isn't selfish, right? It's a necessity. This could also be related to a job that you might decide to leave. The reason could be like maybe no growth or non-cooperation from your colleagues or seniors. Let the things go that do not serve you good. Okay? Forgive those who have hurt you, not for them, but for your own self. Do not carry those toxic emotions with you and set yourself free now. All the best. Card 3, Full Moon in Pisces. Balance spirituality and practicality. Okay, so it seems today you are in no mood to behave in a balanced way. Either you are in a dreamy or sleepy mode or extremely practical. Either way, you're going to be too extreme, whether it's on emotional side, practical side, or a sleepy side. So wake up as you need to balance your day today or might lose something important. If you're too sleepy and dreamy, then take a day off and let the day pass by with your own me time. So spend some time with your own self so you might, you know, feel refreshed and get back to work again. Or if you cannot, then kindly meditate or do yoga before you start your day. This will help you to remain calm and balanced. Listen to your inner voice and it will lead you to the right direction you need to walk on. Let your intuitions guide you. Okay? So, all the best. Card number 4, North Node. Step out of your comfort zone. Are you feeling confused whether to go ahead or be in the present situation? Because it seems that is where you're comfortable right now. Remember, if you do not take a risk, then you will never get to know what capabilities you have or how far you can go. So now is the time to step out of your comfort zone and try something new and exciting. Release the old and embrace the new. It could be your own thoughts or some past relationships or emotions or some past hurt that you're still carrying with you. Let go of the baggage. Let it go and forgive yourself and others too who might have done something wrong to you. Let the universe take care of the karmas and you start your new journey with a newer you. So, all the best. Card 5. New Moon in Sagittarius. Luck is on your side. Oh wow, what a message to start your day with, isn't it? Today your energy is going to be high and super excited. You might feel happy today from the moment you woke up. This feeling might be the one telling you that let's make a new start today. Let's leave the negativity behind and let's move to a new beginning. And yes, your feeling is absolutely right. This is a wonderful time to start something new. It could be a job or a business or something of your own that you were thinking for some time from now, or while exchanging ideas with your colleagues or friends you might click some idea for your own startup. If you're waiting for some good news, then you can expect the one today. So all the best.